Welcome to my Ninja Foodi SS201 review. If you're on-sidering a new kitchen gadget to simplify your cooking tasks, the Ninja Foodi Power Blender and Processor might be just what you need. This versatile 3-in-1 device functions as a blender, dough mixer, and food processor, which means it can handle everything from smoothies to pizza dough. One of the highlights is its 1,400 peak watt motor equipped with technology. This ensures you can blend, mix, and chop without the appliance stalling, even under heavy loads. Plus, the variable speed control and 6 auto IQ presets make it easy to achieve perfect results, whether you're whipping up a smoothie or kneading dough. Smart Torque technology really sets this blender apart. It is designed to handle heavy loads without stalling or needing extra stirring. This means you don't have to stop and start the blender to move ingredients around, saving you time and hassle. If you're working with thick doughs or large quantities, this feature is a game changer. Variable speed control lets you start slow and ramp up the speed as needed. This can be super helpful for chopping and mixing ingredients with more accuracy. You can start with a gentle blend to break down ingredients and then crank up the speed for a smoother finish. It's like having total control over your recipes. The Power Blender and Processor picture is versatile and convenient. It crushes, chops, and makes dough all in one container. No need to swap out different attachments or bowls. This means fewer dishes to wash and more space saved in your kitchen. It's a great solution for small kitchens. 6 Auto IQ preset programs help you make everything from smoothies and frozen drinks to dough and spreads with the touch of a button. You don't have to guess the timing or speed needed for different recipes. Just select the program and you're good to go. This feature removes the guesswork and makes meal prep easier. Next up in my Ninja Foodi SS201 review, let's look at the pros and cons. If you get 3 appliances in one. This device works as a blender, dough mixer, and food processor. It saves you counter space and is convenient. Smart Torque is a game changer. It powers through heavy ingredients without needing to stop and stir. Variable speed control lets you start slow and speed up as needed. This is great for precise chopping and mixing. Auto IQ programs make things easier. With just one touch, you can make smoothies, frozen drinks, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough. Cleaning is easy. The components are dishwasher safe, and it comes with a cleaning brush for those who prefer hand washing. Now, for the cons. The blender is quite loud. While it's powerful, it can be a bit noisy, which might be a little annoying for some people. No hot liquids allowed. This could limit some of the things you might want to make with it. The suction cups on the bottom can be too strong. It might be hard to move the blender without some effort. You may find that the Ninja Foodi Power Blender and Processor can handle a variety of tasks, making it a versatile tool in your kitchen. With 1,400 peak watts of power, it easily crushes ice, mixes dough, and processes food without stalling. The smart technology helps tackle heavy loads, so you don't need to stir or shake. Its variable speed control allows for precision when chopping and mixing. The 6 Auto IQ presets make tasks like making smoothies and chopping vegetables easier with just one touch. Plus, cleaning is simple since it's dishwasher safe and comes with a cleaning brush.